Hey guys, I'm Evan, here with the Niles Fire Department, and today's fire safety tip applies specifically to those who live in condo or apartment buildings. Guys, if you hear the fire alarm going off in your building, and you open your front door, and the hallway is charged with smoke, please close your door. You're going to wait by an exterior window, you're going to call 911, tell the alarm operator exactly who you are and where you are, and you're going to wait till the fire department arrives. If you have more questions for us, please send us a message through our Facebook page at Niles Fire Department. Guys, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.